Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be continuing with my coronavirus makeup haul. I ordered a whole load of the P.Louise bases, including some from the collection with Mmmmitchell. I also bought the Alyssa Edwards collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I'll be doing a first impressions on both of them. I actually wanted to redo one of the makeup looks Mmmmitchell did on one of my favorite influencers, Jamie Genevieve. So this look is fully inspired by that. I'll link the original video down in the description if you want to take a look. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, then please stay tuned. So I've just applied all of my cream products, foundation and concealers, and now I actually really wanted to test one of the Mmmmitchell colors as blush. On his Instagram he does this all the time, and I've seen him do it on a few of like the beauty gurus too. I've just seen that you have to be like really careful with how much product you use because it's supposed to be super pigmented. So I'm just going to take some on my sponge. Quite like that. I really like creamy products, makes your face all glowy. Okay, I'm gonna go and put on the rest of my powders and then I'll be back for my eyes. I'm ready to do my eyes. I am first going to go in with the P.Louise base in 0.5. I tried to buy a shade as close to my like eye match as possible. I'm also using the P.Louise Valentine's collection brushes. And then just using patting motions, I'm gonna apply this to my eyelid. Okay, because I'm going to go in with more cream products, I'm going to set this down a little bit. Next up, I am going to go in with Glow Girl. I find it a little bit annoying. See, with these ones, the tube top is much smaller, so it's really easy to just take out like a little bit of product. With these, the tube top is like huge, so I don't know how to only take out like a small amount because I assume you won't need much. It's like a crayon at the top. Okay, we're gonna try this. Another brush from her Valentine's collection. It's like a blending brush. I'm just gonna take it on the back of this because it's quite small and precise. And then start applying it to my outer corner and crease. I have to say, for being cream products, super easy to blend. Next I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Alyssa Edwards, and I'm going to use the color BBDC, which is the one just here. Actually, I'm going to mix it with Texas Made. Just going to go between the two, and then I'm going to focus this right on my crease on the inside. Next up, I'm gonna go in with Brick Road, the yellow shade. Okay, if you're happy with the blend, then it's time to cut the crease. So I'm gonna do this using the Mmmmitchell blank canvas. Yes, I bought two different bases. And I'm also gonna be using one of the brushes from his P.Louise collaboration. So this is just the yellow one. It looks like this. It'll be easiest to cut a crease with that. So the shade is slightly darker than the 0.5, which I was expecting. I'm gonna cut my crease quite high, higher than my natural crease, because that's what he like tends to do to really open the eyes. Wow, that shade really has some really good coverage. I don't know why, I think my eyes are a bit lopsided. Like, this one always turns out better. Anyway, okay, so once we've cut the crease, I'm gonna go back into the Alyssa Edwards palette and on a flat brush, I'm gonna take the shimmer Beyond and Inspire, the gold and the pink essentially. And then just for the inner corner, I'm going to use, I actually have this palette at home, but it's in London and I reordered it. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Nicole Noguero. I'm going to use one of the highlighters from this. So I'm just going to use the color Forever Young. It's actually my favorite shade from this palette. Okay, next up, I want to create a tiny bit of like a liner with one of the colors. So I'm going to go in with Nitro, which is the only color I haven't used yet. I'm going to use another one of the Mmmmitchell brushes. So once this is on, I'm just going to blend it a bit. So I do actually own the Mmmmitchell Tatty Lashes, but they are in London. So I'm going to go in with the Tatty Lashes in TL4 today. And we're back with both lashes. So just for the bottom lash line, I am going to use the eyeliner brush we used before and using some of that blue. I'm just going to run it into my waterline. Okay, so I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. I don't have any bottom lashes, so can't put any on. So this is the finished look. Super happy with how the eyes turn out. Obviously I am no Mmmmitchell, but I am still really happy with them. Just to give you the final lowdown on the product, I'm really impressed with the paints, and even though I said that them coming out was a little bit annoying, all of the paints were super pigmented and really easy to blend. So yeah, super impressed with them and actually really excited to do some more colorful stuff because I don't always do that much. The palette as well, typical for Anastasia Beverly Hills, had a little bit of fallout, which doesn't bother me. It just means that the palette is really pigmented. Other than that, all of the shades applied really beautifully, I think, and blended really well. So really happy with that too. So yeah, so all in all, I actually really enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun putting on all of this makeup. I will see you in my next one.